So did you know that Mauritius is a paradise island and it's also known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Mauritius is known for its beautiful beaches. But I'm here to tell you that Mauritius is much more than that. It's not just beautiful beaches and the sun and sand, it's way more than that. Mauritius is an island with beautiful landscapes and good food. And the good thing about it is that you don't have to travel too far. Okay, so let me explain. So for example, if you go to Japan, you have to go all the way to the Nagano prefecture to have a beautiful view of the northern Japan Alps. And if you go to Switzerland, you'll have to go to Zermatt to see a very amazing and breathtaking view of the Swiss Alps. But in Mauritius, if you wanna have a good view of the mountain ranges and the forest, you don't have to travel too far because it's so small. Check out the video I made and hopefully it will give you an idea of what Mauritius has to offer. So do you feel like coming to Mauritius now? If this video hasn't convinced you yet to come to Mauritius, don't worry. There are so many other things that I haven't shown in this video, and trust me, it's like amazing. But I shall save it for another video. In the meantime, hit like, give me a thumbs up because obviously you like this video. Duh! And if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go here. And if you haven't subscribed yet because you were too amazed by Mauritius, it's okay, you still have the chance to subscribe. Click here. Yeah, here. See you next week. Thanks. Bye.